Just got your first paycheck, and suddenly you're thinking, okay, now what? Bills, rent, food, saving, and somehow everyone else seems to know what they're doing. Here's the truth. Most people mess up their first salary, not because they're bad with money, but because no one ever explains this part. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage it. Step by step. Your first paycheck feels exciting, but before you spend a penny, you need to understand what you're actually being paid. In the UK, your salary is split into two numbers: gross pay, what you earn on paper; net pay, what actually hits your bank account. From that gross pay, money is taken for income tax, national insurance, and usually a workplace pension. If you're over 22 and earning above the threshold, you're automatically enrolled into a pension. And this matters because opting out means turning down free money from your employer. So first rule, always plan your money using your net pay, not your salary headline. That's the real number that matters. Here's the most common mistake people make. They spend first and hope there's something left to save. There usually isn't. Instead, flip the order. When your money comes in, it should already have a job. A simple framework that works for beginners is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for essentials, 30% for lifestyle, and 20% for saving or debt. This isn't about being perfect. Even if you start with 10% savings, that's still a win. Before spending anything fun, cover the boring stuff. Your essentials usually include rent or board, utilities, transport, phone, and food. Set these up as direct debits where possible. Why? Because in the UK, direct debits are often cheaper, you avoid missed payments, and your money becomes predictable. Keep your bill money separate from your spending money. Everything else feels lighter. You don't need to save hundreds straight away. What matters is starting. Most financial advisors recommend building an emergency fund, about 3 months of expenses. That sounds big, so don't aim for that yet. Aim for your first $500, then $1,000. Put it in an easy access savings account, not your current account. Right now in the UK, savings accounts pay far more interest. Don't leave money on the table. Set up a standing order for the day after payday. Save first, spend what's left. Let's talk about what not to do. Mistake 1, lifestyle creep. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you need to spend more. Mistake 2, credit cards. Credit cards aren't extra money, they're future bills. Mistake 3, I'll save later. Later usually never comes. Here's a reality check. More than half of young adults have no savings. Saving early, even small amounts, already puts you ahead. It's a system you're building. Here's how to level it up. Use a budgeting app or bank tools to track spending. Check your workplace benefits. Contribute enough to your pension to get the full employer match. Keep saving separate. And yes, enjoy your money too. Just do it after essentials are covered. Balance beats extremes. What you do with your first paycheck sets habits, and habits compound. Budget early, save automatically, avoid unnecessary debt. You make every future raise more powerful. It's not about being perfect, it's about being intentional. It's about how you handle it. Get this part right, and money gets easier. If this helped, keep building the habit. Confidence starts here.